first thing we need to do is pick our strings. But there's so many different kinds. How do we know what to choose? Do we want coated or uncoated? And then what material do we use? Do we want nickel or stainless steel or nylon or bronze or phosphor bronze or 80-20 bronze or silk and steel? And then what gauge do we choose? Do we want light or medium light or extra light or medium or heavy or medium heavy or any combination of those? And there's also all the different brands. You've got Martin, Diodario, Elixir, GHS, Ernie Ball, and the list just keeps going. My advice to beginning guitar students is to keep it simple. Pick a light gauge or an extra light gauge, do 80-20 bronze, do uncoated, and pick any brand you want. They're all pretty good. I personally use Diodario. Once we've picked our strings, all we got to do next is take the old ones off, put the new ones on. Taking the old ones off is pretty easy. String winder. Next, we want to quickly put the new ones on. Put the string in the bridge, pin it down. Then we're going to go around the post from the inside out once or twice. Once on the bigger strings, twice, maybe 3 times on the smaller strings. And then go through the post hole. Tighten it and start winding. It should sound like this. We finish up by tuning up and taking care of all these. After you tune it up and give the strings a little bit of a stretch and then tune it up again, maybe play for a little bit and then tune it one last time, it ought to sound something like this.